Welcome to Auto Edge. This session is on how to sell Škoda Roadside Assistance, RSA, like a pro. In this short video, you'll learn how to competently explain the value of RSA renewal, handle common objections, and close the sale like a seasoned advisor or CRE. Let's get started. First, let us start with what is Škoda RSA. Škoda Roadside Assistance is a 24/7 support service, available pan-India, offering help in case of breakdowns, flat tires, battery drain, or accidental lockouts. Every new Škoda vehicle comes with complimentary RSA coverage for a limited period. But what happens when that period ends? That's where you come in. Why renewal matters. Once the initial RSA coverage expires, customers are vulnerable to emergency costs. A single breakdown could cost more than an entire year of RSA renewal. It's our job to make sure they continue to drive worry-free, with uninterrupted support on every journey. When and how to pitch. Timing is key. RSA should be pitched during 1. At every scheduled service. 2. During Shield Plus discussions. 3. When the customer is nearing warranty expiration. 4. And especially during monsoon, long trips, or high-mileage service visits. A simple question like, "Would you like to continue your RSA coverage after expiry?" opens the door. Handling common objections. Not every customer will say yes immediately. Here's how to competently handle the most common RSA renewal objections. Objection 1. My car already has RSA. Your response has to be something like, "Yes, and that's why we're recommending renewal before it expires." Just like insurance, you renew before the coverage ends. This ensures zero disruption in emergency support. Objection 2. I've never used it. Your response has to be something like, "That's the ideal situation. But RSA is like a seatbelt. You don't want to need it, but it must be there when you do. You've been lucky so far, let's keep it that way." Objection 3. I have insurance-based RSA. Your response has to be something like, "Good comparison, but there's a difference. Insurance-based RSA is usually outsourced, slower, and limited in scope. Škoda RSA is brand authorized, faster, and uses trained Škoda technicians." Objection 4. I'll call if I need it. Your response. Unfortunately, RSA can't be purchased on the spot during a breakdown. Renewing in advance ensures you're covered anytime, anywhere. Objection 5. Is it really worth it? Your response should be, absolutely. One flatbed tow could cost 2,000 to 5,000 Indian rupees or even more depending on location. This package covers any length of distance, even it takes interstates towing, across pan-India. RSA renewal covers unlimited incidents, for less than 1 Indian rupee per day. Also give real instance example when where a customer arranged to tow his vehicle like from Bellary to Bangalore. Objection 6. I'll think about it. Sure, but just a heads up, renewal pricing is best during scheduled services. Waiting could mean higher charges or temporary loss of coverage. You're not just selling RSA, you're offering security, convenience, and peace of mind. Approach it with empathy. Explain the real-world benefits. And most importantly, offer it before the coverage ends. Pitch it with purpose, and the sale will follow. Happy selling! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your team. Let's keep raising the bar together. See you in the next session.